VLOGTOBER.
Hey, what's up, pups? It's Maddox, bitch! And I am vlogging live from New York City during Hurricane Sandy. I did like 3 shots and now I'm walking to my friend Jason's apartment because he lives like 4 blocks away. But yeah, it's not that bad on the Upper East Side, but I heard downtown it's a little crazy. Oh, it's a little windy though, a little rainy. But, okay. Okay, now, okay, bye. It's dark, but we decided to walk in the... Don't blow away! Don't blow away. And live while we're young. We decided to walk to the river. Because we're crazy. This is a terrible idea! What are we doing? We're gonna die! This is a terrible idea, you guys. Terrible idea! Landon, how was your trip through Sandy?
Oh, it's so great. I hope this happens every month.
Every month.
Every month.
They must have shut down the highway.
You guys, I don't know whose idea it was to walk to the East River,
Oh my God, you guys!
but it was terrible. It was terrible. I think it was your idea, wasn't it? It was your idea.
What did I do?
It was your idea to do this.
And what a good idea it was. We're having so much fun. I'm gonna have to change my clothes, but YOLO.
YOLO.
Watch out, there's debris.
Debris.
Unplugged.
Ew. It was just a lot. If that's my worst complaint, my life is great. But I can't wait for Jake to move here.